Hey everyone. Okay, so today we're going to go over the greenhouse effect. We learned a little bit about this in yesterday's lesson, but today we're going to just focus on it. So you just watched Brain Pop's greenhouse gases video. So now let's go ahead and go over these questions. Question number one asks us, which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Remember, greenhouse gases are considered gases that trap the energy of the sun in Earth, right? So out of these, methane would be an example of a greenhouse gas. Yes, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen are found in the air, but they don't trap the sun's energy. Two, what's one major difference between the Earth's greenhouse gas effect and the actual greenhouse gas? Well, the glass is it A, heat escapes from a greenhouse more easily than it does from Earth's atmosphere. B, the glass in a greenhouse traps heat while greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb and recycle heat. C, actual greenhouses are colder in winter, while the greenhouse effect has led to warm winters across the Earth. And D, there is no significant difference. Both work pretty much the same. So it's definitely not C or D. It says either between A or B. So is it heat escapes from a greenhouse more easily, or is the glass in the greenhouse traps heat while greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb and recycle heat? Your answer is B. 3. What happens to most solar radiation when it reaches the surface of the Earth? A, it reflects right back into space. B, it's collected in solar panels. C, it's soaked up by the land, water, and plants. Or D, it disperses throughout the Earth's atmosphere. Well, when the sun's energy hits the surface of the Earth, it actually gets absorbed, so it's soaked up by the land, water, and plants. Most of that energy is. What might happen if the greenhouse effect didn't exist? The answer is A, it would be too cold for humans to survive on Earth without the greenhouse effect. 5, how can global warming cause sea levels to rise? Choose the best answer. Well, the reason why global warming will cause sea levels to rise is not because of more rain, right? Rain doesn't cause the sea levels to go up. It's actually the melting of the glaciers and the polar ice caps. So when all that ice melts and all those glaciers melt, the sea level or the levels of the ocean are going to go up. Why does cutting down trees increase global warming? Well, trees soak up carbon dioxide from the air, right? And so if we're burning the trees, all that carbon dioxide that trees have, it's going to then be released into the atmosphere, which is going to cause more greenhouse gases to build up and then more energy, sun's energy to be trapped, and then our average temperature is going to increase. All right, when you're done, go ahead and press that next button and complete that next activity.